Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Godwin Baby, and I'm welcoming you to PsyWeM, Psychological Wellbeing Matters with Godwin Baby. Um, this is all about psychological well-being. Psychological well-being matters if we must have our society, focused on the right things and on the right track. So that's one of the reasons why I bring psychological well-being matters to the world each time I have the opportunity to, talk about the essence of being psychologically sound. Now, sometimes people wonder what disorder is all about, what psychological disorder is all about. Now, disorder um, is a mental condition characterized by, abnormal feelings, abnormal thoughts, and abnormal behavior. Now, let me put it this way again. It's a mental condition that is, characterized by abnormal thoughts, abnormal feelings, and abnormal behavior. You see, because whatever flows through the brain, through the mind, you know, um, gets to the emotions, and however the emotion interprets it, behavior is born. So this is what psychological disorder is about. And when we talk about psychological well-being, we are um, speaking from the psychotherapeutic viewpoint, how we can use psychotherapeutic strategies, methodologies, and counseling to curb psychological disorders. So that's what psychological well-being matters is about. Trying to put us on track, how we can live every day um, being psychologically sound. You know, our decisions and behavior impacts on others, impacts on everyone that is around us. And that's the reason why we need to be careful how we live our lives every day, because whatever we do, whatever we say, impacts on somebody, and it impacts on someone either negatively or positively. So psychological well-being matters is to put us, at at a situation where everything we do, everything we say, our actions, will impact on society positively. On this slide, I would like to, you know, talk a little about impatience disorder. Sometimes people fail to realize that whatever is not helping you, any behavior that is not helping you and that is not helping others around you or even those far away from you, you know, could be a disorder. Now, impatience is something we have been even warned religiously to avoid. And there is this impatience disorder. This impatience disorder can be linked to anxiety, and it births anger, because you find out that when you are impatient, you find it difficult to wait. You find it difficult to hold on. You find it difficult to be focused on something for, a particular period, so that you can get the result. Now, impatience won't let you wait. Impatience won't let you even listen to others. Impatience won't let you weigh matters the way you should weigh them before making a decision. And many people are rocked with this disorder. It's affecting leaders, it's affecting religious people, it's affecting children, it's affecting especially adults. Like when you look at attention deficit hyperactive disorder, attention deficit disorder, ADD, ADHD, these are linked to, they have a link with impatience, and impatience disorder. Now, people who are having impatience disorder, you will see symptoms like they find it difficult to want to sit down and focus on a particular thing for a long time, especially if they're not getting the kind of result they want. Some activities have a particular length of time you need to invest energy into them to get results. But people who have impatience disorder cannot wait. They find it difficult to wait. Now, even in decision making, they make rash decisions. They act on impulses. The moment something strikes them and it's like, this is not what I want, they just react. There is a difference between reacting and acting. They just react. When you react, most times it's negative results that emerges. But when you act, you think. People who experience impatience disorder do not think before they act. They hardly consider something, and that's the reason why when they react, it could be, an outburst of anger, anxiety, breaks in, and when they can't get what they want, they can break loose like a wild ass on the run. You see, so that's why we need to be careful with this disorder. Impatience disorder is a disorder that can crumble a vision. It can destroy a people. It can crush a plan. It is not healthy. Yeah, it's not healthy at all. And we need to be careful with this disorder. If you are experiencing any of the things I have mentioned, then you need to talk to a psychotherapeutic counselor, somebody who is vast in psychopathology. You may need help. That's the reason why we are advocating for consistent periodic psychological evaluation, because this is going to be the solution to a healthy society. Impatience disorder is rocking our society. It is spreading like wildfire. And the painful thing is, a lot of people I have come across who have impatience disorder don't even know they are experiencing impatience disorder. And when you try to talk to them about it, they feel that you are trying to say that they are mad. Psychological disorder doesn't mean a person is mad. It simply means a person is experiencing, mental distress, mental dysfunction, mental abnormality. And there is help available for everyone who wants help. So I like you to take impatience disorder seriously. Look at yourself, look at your life. How do you handle things? Do you find yourself listening to people when there is an issue before you begin to speak, before you begin to expose your decision? When you find yourself doing something, are you patient enough to wait to get a result, or you give yourself a time frame, and when you are not getting what you should get, you quickly bail? Impatience disorder does not help anybody, and that's why we need to take it seriously. Now, if you have any questions, you can reach me on 080-287-40239. There is help available. We care to listen when you get ready to talk. So until I come your way again, stay strong.